Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am going to show you today a beautiful walk through the woods, and it's one of the most amazing experience I'm feeling right now. And so I wander the woods from time to time. My spouse takes me out of to the ranch, and I notify her where I intend to walk, as I have uh, you know um, I was going through a very difficult times because of my health issues. So I don't do it excessively, as I have to watch out on my health. But it is silent joy. I enjoy walking and listening to what is out there. Many times I take my camera so I can cherish and the times and see the beauty of Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. This time, I'm walking among the trees, the beautiful trails of the busiest, out of the busiest city of my, and get out of the sofa and my bed, so that I can see the beauty of Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. I know, so don't. So these are the beautiful trails of Logroño, one of the best beautiful trails of my area city. And if you have some kind of experience like this, you can share with me. And walking through the woods is one of the best experience, ever since I've seen in my life. And out of the thing of the world is, like creepy. How you consider it? It's a, what is your experience if you're going through such kind of woods, the forest walks, and this if you're a beauty lover, if you like the nature, and then you can share me your experience. So you can just walk out of your doors if you're living just nearby this forest area, or in the wood side area of your area, the village or city. Then you can just get out of your door and to the woods, and this is a lovely experience. Lovely woods on your property, in a part of the larger woods that is part of the larger forest. So mostly amazing experience you will feel in the European area, because all the areas in the Europe, all the mostly the countries which falls in this category, and they are very beautiful. And I those people who are living in Europe, I'm sure they feel the same experience. And there is nothing quite like walking in the woods to get the blood flowing, actually, and you feel very good and very calm. But not only does forest hiking have a good effect on your physical health, it can also put you in a better mood. And as I'm feeling right now, as you walk, your body creates endorphins that may have a positive effect on how you feel and reduce anxiety. And the best part is the exposure to forest strengthens your immune system, reduce blood pressure, increases energy, boosts our mood, and helps so many things. So regain the maintain our focus in ways that treeless environment just don't. So let's have a look. I'll show you all the path, all the way, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and keep watching. Thank you.